Good afternoon.
What's up? Do they talk?
No,
Which one talks?
I don't know. But this one aggressive, can bite.
Hey, it can bite you.
Yeah, but not the other one.
Which one talks?
The one this small?
This one talks?
No.
It's a parrot, ain't it?
Yeah. But in Kampung Sumatra they'll talk.
Huh?
And in the Kampung Sumatra.
In the Kampruta Sabra.
Kampung Sumatra.
Kamprusa mata.
Kampung Sumatra. You can hold the bird.
Oh, hold the bird? Oh, yeah. Kantu Samprata.
Kampung Sumatera.
Yeah.
Oh, just hold that, okay?
Oh, whoa. Hey. I don't like. Look, the fuck you just whispered in my ear? Do they bite?
That's the blue one.
Only blue one, but.
Only blue? I can kiss it?
Yeah.
Say you swear.
Yeah, you can kiss it.
Can I actually kiss it? You kiss it. Oh, for real?
Kiss it. You can go over there, sir.
Oh, it can kiss. Oh my God. Damn. W birds. All right, babe, I'm done with these birds. Chay, you can't kiss these birds. All right, babe, get them. Here, go back on your tree. Go back on the tree. Here, go back on the tree. Here you go. Here you go, baby boy. W bird, you can't kiss these motherfuckers. Damn. Huh? Yo, what's the best thing to do here? Hey. Elephant? Can I touch it?